Lesson 4.1 is on pages 88 through 93. Our new skills for this is using the autofill, clearing out cell formatting, and applying cell styles. You're going to start by downloading the 4.1 source from Schoology. You will then save it as 4.1 Best Sellers. You will then start with step 4. Select cells A3 and A4. And then in the bottom right corner, you will see your cursor change to a small plus sign. This is the autofill, so you're going to drag down through cell A11. Step 5A, change the page orientation to landscape. Step 5B, insert a blank row before row 2. Step 5C, change the font of cells A1 through G12 to Comic Sans MS and bold and underline it. Step 6, from the Home tab and the Editing group, select cells A1 through G12, then go to Clear. In the drop-down menu, choose Clear Formats. Step 7, right align cells E3 through G3. Step 7B, change the font size of cell A1 to size 18. Step 7C, merge and center cell A1 across columns A through G. Step 7D, change the height of row 1 to 36. Step 7E, center columns A and C. Step 8, from the Home tab in the Styles group and go to our More drop-down. Highlight cells A3 through G3. Select Heading 2 to apply the Heading 2 style and change the font size to 16. Step 9, from the Home tab and in the Number group. Step 9A, select cells E4 through E12 and choose the accounting number format. Step 9B, select cells F4 through F12 and select comma style. Step 9C, select cells F4 through F12 and click decrease the decimal twice. Step 9D, select cells G4 through G12 and select percent style. Step 9E, select cells G4 through G12 and increase the decimal once. Step 10, we're going to format the publication date as text. So type an apostrophe before each year in our cells D4 through D12. Step 11, center column D. Step 12, from the Page Layout tab, Page Setup group, click Print Titles. Step 12B, from the Page Setup dialog box, Sheet tab, click the up arrow next to columns to repeat at left. Step 12C, type the range $A, $B, and hit enter. Step 12D, click OK. You can then save your document and submit on Schoology.